look at the axle. Ready to see, look at the axle. Watch, look at the axle in action. See closer, look at the axle up. Try, look at the axle again. Quiz time about quiz, look at the. The answer is answer, look at the. Remember, recap, look at the axle. Spin the wheels. Ready to see, spin the wheels, ready. Watch, spin the wheels in action. See closer, spin the wheels up close. Try, spin the wheels again. Quiz time about quiz, spin the wheels. The answer is answer, spin the wheels. Remember, recap, spin the wheels. Push the car. Ready to see, push the car, ready. Watch, push the car in action. See closer, push the car up close. Try, push the car again. Quiz time about quiz, push the car. The answer is answer, push the car. Remember, recap, push the car. Turn the corner. Ready to see, turn the corner, ready. Watch, turn the corner in action. See closer, turn the corner up close. Try, turn the corner again. Quiz time about quiz, turn the corner. The answer is answer, turn the corner. Remember, recap, turn the corner. Drag or roll. Ready to see, drag or roll, ready. Watch, drag or roll in action. See closer, drag or roll up close. Try, drag or roll again. Quiz time about quiz, drag or roll. The answer is answer, drag or roll. Remember, recap, drag or roll. Big wheels, small wheels. Ready to see, big wheels, small wheels. Watch, big wheels, small wheels in action. See closer, big wheels, small wheels up. Try, big wheels, small wheels again. Quiz time about quiz, big wheels, small. The answer is answer, big wheels, small. Remember, recap, big wheels, small wheels. Roll down a ramp. Ready to see, roll down a ramp. Watch, roll down a ramp in action. See closer, roll down a ramp up. Try, roll down a ramp again. Quiz time about quiz, roll down A. The answer is answer, roll down A. Remember, recap, roll down a ramp. Great thinking! What can you discover next?